Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Chris and we're glad you came along for the adventure today. As you can see, we're back at it. We're truck camping again. This time we are in Weiser State Park. You know, it's just going to be a really nice weekend here. The weather's supposed to be perfect. You know, we're starting to come out of summer months and get into the fall months, which is pretty nice. You know, not that I want to wish away summer yet, but you know, it's definitely nice to be able to sit here and relax and not have to worry about the sun baking down on you and the insane humidity that we've had here for this summer. So you know, if truck camping is your thing, we hope you stick along for the adventure today. All right, well, we are on the hunt for firewood. This campsite's pretty cool here. If you are in the Weiser State Park, you want to check it out. This is campsite number P2. I believe this is in the Port Clinton loop. We're actually right outside of Hamburg, Pennsylvania. I want to say probably close to about 10 minutes away from Cabela's. I don't know if you can pause it and hit the QR code. I took an up-close shot of the QR code. That way, if you want to make some reservations, I'll put it up here in the video. We're dispersed camping this weekend, so there's really not a lot of people around us at all. I think our closest campsite to us is, I don't even want to guess, maybe a quarter mile, maybe a little more than that, give or take. Looks like here's a pretty promising spot for some firewood, so we're going to gather this firewood up and take it back to the campsite and start a fire. This tree is a little sketchy. It's completely hollow. I don't know that I would want to be under that when it comes down. That could hurt. Let's get this fire started. You know, I'm not sure how it is in any state parks outside of Pennsylvania. You know, if you like to do some state park camping in other states, leave a comment below. I'd be interested to know how their policies are with firewood. I know here in the state of Pennsylvania, you are not allowed to bring firewood from an outside source in, because they're afraid that you may bring something that's not native to the state forest that could end up, you know, overpopulating. You know, probably one of the most recent examples of that in recent years has been the spotted lanternfly. You know, that really got crazy, at least around our area where we were at. We had spotted lanternflies like hell. You know, this year, for whatever reason, I don't know if they're migrating further away, but you know, this year they weren't too bad. So, but that's the reason why we are not allowed to have, you know, why we're not allowed to bring our own firewood in the state park. So as you can see, I just brought some 2x4s here real quick, some scrap wood from home that, you know, was in my basement. Don't have to worry about that. And then I started scavenging some wood over here that we're going to use for our firewood tonight. All right, well, Maury is taking a little bit of a siesta, so I'm going to use this time to kind of catch up on some editing here. So nothing like sitting in nature, just so peaceful, listening to the crickets, got the crackle of the campfire behind you, editing an awesome video to bring to you guys out there. I'm sure that's pretty exciting. All right, well, I'm getting kind of hungry here, so I think I'm going to do some eating. This is the first time that I have ever had an MRE. A couple of you had said that we should try some MREs, so I figured, you know what? Let's give it a whirl. The flavor of the day is Menu 1, chili with beans. Should be exciting. If you've had MREs in the past, you know, leave a comment. Which one's your favorite flavor? What do you think I should go for in our next MRE if we make it past this one? Let's get started. It says it has a peelable seal. Test that theory. It worked. All right, well, I hope there's something to warm this up in, because I don't think that cold chili with beans is going to be very tasty, but I could be wrong. Let's see what we have here. We have 1 packet of chili with beans. It's so cold. We have pepperoni pizza cheese crackers. Sounds actually kind of good. We have vegetable crackers. Pretty hard. We have cheese spread. And cornbread. Oh, thank goodness it comes with a heating pack. Here we have some lemon lime flavored fruit juice that we'll give a try. A spoon. And let's see what we have here. We have some non-dairy creamer, some Bill's Brew freeze-dried coffee, sugar, a little towelette, we have some matches. It says they are designed especially for damp climates, but they will not light when wet or after a long exposure, several weeks, to very damp air. That'll come in handy. We have some salt, some chiclets, and it looks like last but not least, napkins. All right, well, first let's try this lemon lime flavored juice. Well, I don't have a canteen to add it to. I'm gonna add it to some water here. It says to use the whole package, but that seems like that's gonna be a little too much. Now we're really getting some colors here. Yeah, not bad. Actually, kind of just tastes like Gatorade. All right, let's do this. Slide our MRE down here in the heating pouch. Alright, so we filled that to the line. Shoo, shit, that's getting hot. That is getting very hot. Shove that down into the sleeve here. Fold that over and let it do its thing, because it is hot. Very, very hot. Burnt my finger hot. All right, well, let's try some cornbread. Smells pretty good. Smells like cornbread. Tastes about as good as cornbread could taste coming out of a bag. It's not really dry. Has some moisture to it. Not terrible. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. Wanna try it? Maury's not a fan. However, before this, we had opened up a dehydrated ice cream sandwich, which Maury was very much so a fan of. The longer this goes, it kind of stinks a little. Let's try some pepperoni pizza cheese crackers. Now look, I am not in any way, shape, or form knocking these. I know that these have come a long way over the years and certainly keeps our men and women in the military, keeps their tummies full and provides them with the right nutrients. These pepperoni pizza and cheese crackers are kind of just like combos, and they smell exactly like combos. And they pretty much taste just like combos. Very good. Let's save those for later. Wash it down with some of my lemon lime beverage, which is now very green. It's still not very sweet. Made a little bit of a mess. Wouldn't be me if I didn't make a little bit of a mess. Well, I guess we have our vegetable crackers with cheese spread. I don't know if you heard that. It went as soon as I opened it. Good news. The crackers did not break hitting them against my head. So I was kind of hoping that this would taste a little bit like a Triscuit or something, but it's like a step above cardboard and a step below a saltine cracker. We're definitely going to call the reinforcements in some cheese spread. Doesn't make it any better.
It's all right.
Maury says that one's okay. You prefer that over the cornbread?
Yeah.
Yeah? I would take the cornbread hands down all day long. It is very dry.
Maybe because it's vegetable.
I like vegetables. I'm gonna have to call back in my lemon lime reinforcements here. All right, so I'll tell you, when I first tried the lemon lime and I put it in here, I thought that it was way too much powder to go into a 16-ounce bottle of water. I'm used to like the Mio squirt bottles, you know, or just like the little Powerade, you know, the little rip pouches that you have that you put in, that are usually pretty tiny. Certainly not the size of that, but I will tell you that you need the full packet, because if not, it tastes kind of terrible. It brings us to our entree of the day. Our beans and chili. Sounds like it's still cooking. We're gonna keep letting that heat up a little bit.
It's expanding.
It's pretty cool when it cooks. I don't know if you can see that. It breathes.
It's steaming.
Very, very hot. All right, well. It feels hot. That's a plus. It feels very hot. Actually smells really good. It's hot. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was expecting a lot worse than that. It's spicy. It's definitely got a zing to it. But it's good. There's a lot of beans in here. I'm not sure how much more he's gonna like it later. All right, well, it's getting a little dark here, as you can see, so I think we're gonna head in for the evening and maybe kick back, watch a movie, read a book, or something like that. So I guess we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We had a pretty good night's sleep last night. Made a few adjustments to our sleeping arrangements, and we both ended up getting some cots and putting mats on top, which definitely made the difference last night. We slept pretty good, pretty much almost the whole night through. It was real peaceful here, nice cool breeze blowing, but today we already started to pack up. That we have some pretty bad weather that's rolling in here, and we're gonna get some pretty good showers today. So we already took the liberty, packed up everything, and now we're gonna cook breakfast and get ready to head on out of here. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely had an awesome time coming here. I love the dispersed camping and just being out in nature and kind of away from everybody. And that was exactly what we needed this weekend. It was just a really nice, calm, cool weekend. And we definitely got to unplug and relax a little bit. So Don't forget to get entered into our giveaway that is going to continue to run from now until the end of September, where we will pick one of you lucky viewers to win something from my merch shop, just kind of as a token of appreciation for following along. The keyword for this video is going to be Weiser, so comment Weiser down below in the comments. Make sure that you like this video and you are a subscriber to the channel, and that will get you entered into our giveaway. So but yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. We're going to head out of here. Stay safe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.